Good morning, class. Today, we're going to start by filling out our calendar journal. Now, parents following along as well. This might not look as familiar to you, but I can assure you that your kids probably know about this. So, taking a look at the calendar journal, I'm kind of scrolling up and down here a little bit. Please circle the day of the week that we are experiencing today on March 30th. All right, then we're going to fill out the first 4 handwriting blanks, the month. Today is, tomorrow will be, and yesterday was. Make sure you show all of these to your parents. You don't necessarily need to send me a picture or anything, but just check this over with a parent. We're also going to do the date in tallies, not the days that we've been in school, but the day of March. That is 30, so 30 tallies. And then also the equation for today's date. Okay, so again, an addition or subtraction sentence that would equal 30. Okay, tell me if 30 is odd or even over here on the right side. Okay, we have a true or false equation. Okay, I've got some numbers already put in. You're telling me if 9 plus 4 is equal to 8 plus 7. Okay, circle true or false there. Okay, moving down, we're not going to do the ones with X's. Please don't do, so don't worry about these 2 boxes. I would like for you to fill in 1 less and 1 more, 10 less and 10 more for the number 30. And then I want you, this problem here underneath the purple flower, this is where we will talk about our days of school. Now, by the time you're watching this video, I will also have put pictures up, a picture of the calendar and counting the days, so you'll be able to see those numbers, and hopefully that will help you fill those out. Thank you.